Another day where the air conditioner was put to good use in a lot of homes.
Yes, absolutely. Or maybe the windows are open, letting in the breeze. You know that's called burping your house, Scott?
I did not know that, and I'm never going to look at open windows the same way again.
You gotta let in the new fresh air and let out the old air, the old stale air. So if you're using the air conditioners because you like it a little bit cooler in your house than just letting in the fresh air, you're going to need them another 2 days. Temperatures tomorrow in the 70s. I think we'll be in the 70s again on Saturday. But then you won't need the air conditioners to start off next week, that's for sure. Temperatures are going to be down near the freezing mark to start off Monday and Tuesday. Unbelievable weather whiplash. We're near 90 today. We're dropping 60 degrees by Monday morning. Temperatures today in the upper 80s for almost everybody. 87 was the high in Scranton, 89 in Williamsport, 86 in Selinsgrove, and one lone spot in our region actually touched 90 according to our data that we have on our map, and that's Lewisburg touched 90 degrees today. Did we hit any records? Not today. Yesterday we broke a record in Williamsport, new record high temperature in the books for April 15th at 87 degrees. Today we got hotter than that, 89, but our record high temperature was also hotter than it was yesterday. So just 1 degree off from the record in Williamsport, same for Avoca, and 4 degrees off the record in Mount Pocono. So we've had a stretch of 3 days in a row now of temperatures at or above 80 degrees. Pretty unusual occurrence to happen in April, only has happened 16 times since 1901, which means it happens about once every decade. So pretty rare to see a stretch of temperatures at or above 80 degrees for a 3-day long period. Beautiful conditions over Pottsville. We've got those clear blue skies and also those beautiful puffy cumulus clouds. We have high pressure in control right now, so it's not allowing those cumulus clouds to become rainstorms, but there is a forcing mechanism which can make those clouds a lot bigger, and that's a front, and it's on the way. I'll talk about that in a second. Here's a live view of Lake Wallenpaupack, a beautiful day to spend on the lake. It's breezy though. Winds gusty from time to time, 20 to 25 miles per hour. We have sustained winds at 18. Temperature right now 83 degrees. Near 90 in Lewisburg. We did hit 90 earlier today. 80 in Storuca, 86 in Shahola. We're at 86 same in Stroudsburg, 81 in Morris. But notice the green shading just towards the north and west. That's because there are some rain showers along the way, and that'll help to drop us into the 60s tonight for overnight lows, which is still warm for this time of year. We have winds sustained about 10 to 20 miles per hour across the board. They'll continue to remain gusty. We could even have higher wind gusts as those showers and storms roll through. So from the 80s, we're going into the 60s tonight. That's still 20 degrees above the average low, which is 40 for this time of year. And tomorrow we'll probably top out right around 70, 75 degrees. 61 will be the overnight low tonight with warm and wet conditions as the showers and storms move through. You can already see them knocking on the doorstep of Potter County. Coudersport experiencing some downpours. Some of these had a severe thunderstorm tag on them earlier. They're no longer severe, but they could pack a quick downpour, maybe a quarter inch to a third of an inch of rain as it passes through. Some lightning, some thunder, and some gusty winds, but it's starting to break up on its way eastward. So by the time it makes it to Pike and Monroe and Wayne counties, I don't think it's going to be storm activity, but you still could get a downpour out of it. It'll reach Wellsboro around 7 o'clock, Williamsport by 8, Harrisburg towards the south by 9, Scranton by 9:15. And this is our next weather maker. So this is our problem for tonight. Then we have a brief quiet period for your Friday afternoon and evening. Then we see more rain showers associated with this low pressure system on the way in for your Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning. Here's your dog walking forecast. Gigi's all tired out. I'm sure she's loving the air conditioner. Thank you, James, for sending her in. If you're going out between 10 and midnight, could encounter a rain shower or storm. Here's future clouds and radar. Downpours possible, some lightning, maybe some thunder there in central Pennsylvania between 6 and 8, in eastern Pennsylvania between 9 and midnight, clearing the rain showers out for the most part by 2 a.m. Tomorrow morning, starting off with cloud cover, a few sprinkles here and there, sunshine for the afternoon, and will be clear for the evening. Saturday, we get rain showers coming in later on in the afternoon, lingering through your overnight into Sunday, and then temperatures really drop. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. We're dropping again from the 90s to the 30s by Monday morning. And the high temperature is going to be 15 degrees below average on Monday. It'll be cold Tuesday morning too, Scott. I suspect we'll have some freeze warnings in effect.
Just another reason to not look forward to Monday.
Yeah, Monday is not the best day. Starts the work week, give us cold temperatures. Maybe next Monday will be better.
I like your optimism.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeremy.